all and welcome back to Reese World. You know the drill. If you haven't subscribed, do it now please, and leave a comment down below of what you think of this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yes guys, so today I am super excited. I am so happy. You know how when you're browsing online, these sponsored ads just pop up from nowhere? Yep. So today I was browsing on Facebook and a sponsored app pop up. These apps come as a result of the things you search online. Like Google kind of help you to suggest those stuffs to you, so that making things easy for you. Yeah, you got it. So I was browsing and I've been doing a lot of research about things that I can use, filming gadgets I can use to film my YouTube videos and stuff. So I've been searching on ring lights, microphones and the rest. So today I was just browsing and enjoying myself on Facebook, and then boop, I saw this beautiful ad like, oh, we are selling a ring light, a mini ring light. It looked great on the picture. It really looked nice, and I was like, whoo, check out the price. The price was 6,500 francs. I'm like, are these people sure? 6,500 francs. Last I checked, I was asking to buy a ring light and it was so expensive. So I just lose my interest on buying or getting ring light. I was like, I'm not sure. But though I texted the guy, I was like, oh, I want this. He said, yeah, it's available, you can get it even now. As I was still scrolling down, I saw another one saying 6,000. Oh, I forgot about the guy for 6,500. I went to the guy for 6,000. I'm like, okay, I want this. The guy said, okay, where are you? Tell me your location, I'll deliver it now. I'm like, now? He says, yeah, now. I said, okay. Okay, I'm waiting. And then I'm like, don't think that I'm going to send you money so you can deliver it to me. No, you bring it first. He said, no, don't stress. Okay, payment is upon delivery. When I deliver it to you, you check it out and then you can pay. I'm like, wow. This seems to be something. Ooh, what? Yeah. So I was excited and I told him, come. Guys, the distance from my place to where that guy's shop is really far. So I knew that he might not come. But then 45 minutes after, it's like you're traveling from one city or one village to another. So I was just like, oh, let me just try my luck. 45 minutes after, the guy called me, I'm at your Carrefour, come and get it. I'm like, huh? Is this guy serious? I ran up. I'm like, okay, let me go and check it out. I went there. I saw the guy. I took it. I gave the guy the 6,000 francs, and then I gave the guy 2,000 francs as delivery fee. Normally delivery fee is 1,000 francs, and for those who are in the center of Douala, I think it's kind of free according to what the ad said. So the guy gave me these, guys. Look at this is what I got. It's really small, smaller than I even imagined. It's small. See, you see it on my face? Yeah. It's really small. I'm beginning to doubt if it can do what they say it does. So ooh, let's see, let's unbox it and see what's inside. And okay, it has these. It also has these. These. Now that the parts are coming out so many, I doubt if we'll be able to fix it. This, it has this. Okay, we stop. It has this, and there's also this. So yeah, this is it. So we are supposed to make it look like this, like what we have here. Check this out. I think I did a good job. That's if it shines. I mean, then I did a good job. Yeah, I think I did a good job. Okay, I did a very good job. I'm proud of me. I'm proud of me. Okay, are you guys proud of me? Yeah, I'm proud of me. I did a good job. Okay, now let's figure out how this works. This one needs like a USB cup or something to put it inside, and it didn't come with one, so I guess. Oh, I have an idea. Let me try my power bank. I think if it works with my power bank, I will be so grateful. That means I can carry it everywhere I want to go to, and when I feel like I should film and the lighting is not good, I can use it, right? So yep, so let's try the power bank and see how it goes. Put it like so. It doesn't look like it's going to work, because it's not going to work. Oh, it's working. It's working, guys. See? Yeah. But see, the lighting is great. I didn't expect this. Oh, wow. Ooh, the lighting is good. It's really good. I normally use natural light to film my videos, so I don't have a ring light. Before now, I normally use natural light to film the video, but guys, see, and then without the light, you see, it makes a difference, right? And the light is brighter than I imagined. It's small, it's portable, you can carry it anywhere, anytime. It doesn't disturb. You can even put it in your small purse. If you're somebody that doesn't like carrying big bags here, you can just put it in a small purse. Whenever you want to use it, you just put it, fix it, and you use it. But there's a little flaw with this. I think you cannot film with it. Let me stop the light. I think the light has other colors. Let's see. It has this color that I don't know how to call it, and then it has this other color too that I don't know how to call it, and it has this, which is good. I think it's good. The lighting is great. I love it. The 6,000 francs is worth it. In fact, this thing is worth more than that 6,000 francs. Woo! 3 years ago when I started YouTube, if I had an opportunity to have something like this, I would have loved it so much, because this comes in handy. There are many times that I've done sit down videos and they are not clear because my lighting is poor. So now, guys, I'm going to do better videos now. I'm going to do better videos now. So yeah, I like it. I think I love it. So let's see. Okay, I think there's a flaw with this. Everything has its own disadvantages. What I think is a disadvantage here is the fact that, you see the way it is, right? It has these two places, and the thing is really very small. So if you put one phone here, it's going to weigh this way and maybe fall down. And if you put one phone here, it's going to weigh this way and maybe fall down. So you need two phones for it to work. Let's see. Yeah, of course. You see the way it's carrying it. Ooh. You see the way it's carrying my phone down? Yeah, it cannot carry one phone. It can only carry two phones. So if you're working, if you're going with this, it's either you're going to use two phones, or you're going to use a tripod and then just use this for the light. That's it. And then it seems like you can also increase it. Yes, you can also increase it from here, maybe something like this. Yeah, that's the height of it. You can also make it a little bit taller. That is the highest it can go. It cannot go taller than this. This is the height, which means if you want to film, you must keep it on something like more like a table, something like a table, a chair, or someone holding it to show you light. Oh yeah, so those are its flaws. You cannot put it down. If you put it down, the light will be shining downward. But then it also has this rotating thing going on with this part, with this part up here. So I think the lighting, if you put it down, you can maybe rotate it like up. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to show. You can maybe rotate it like up, so the light can flash directly on your face, or you put it like down, or you bring it like down. Yeah, so I think that problem of position is solved. That said, whoo, I like it. It's a relief. And these people, I will recommend you get it from them. If you like this and you want to get it, just tell me in the comment section, and I will leave their link or their contact so you can get to them and get yours. Just tell me you're interested in the comment section. And hey, this is not a paid advert. Nobody paid me to advertise this, okay? I'm just excited because I got it. And yeah, the way I told you, all I've told you about this thing is the truth. Nobody has paid me to advertise this. I'm just showing you guys. You see, the lighting is good. If you're a content creator, if you're a low budget content creator like some of us, you should get something like this. It will really help you. Look at just see the way I look in the video. Just check it out with the light. The lighting is everything so bright. So yeah, Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave a comment down below, give it a thumbs up and share. Share. Please don't go without subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.